Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing my PP Weeks B6 weekly layout. I am running really short on time and don't have the capability to use stickers, washi, other colors, etc. So this is just an example on how you can still make a functional spread even though you may not have so much time. To actually make this full spread, it took me less than 5 minutes. I did speed it up for this video, but basically all I used was my felt tip marker. So I just put the days of the week and the number of the day, and then just some information that I need. So for example, right here, I have a collaborative sale that I am a part of. So I'm just gonna put that for those dates, which are March 26th to the 28th. I meant to say Friday because I saw that F. However, yes, I will be part of a collaborative sale on that weekend. So I just put that there. And then I just put a little IG and then a space so I can plan out my Instagram post for the week. Even though I write them for every day, I don't post every day, but sometimes I like to change it up just depending on what I need. And then I also put little bullets. I like the Print Pression planner, which this one is, because even though they are not dot grid, they do have grid, like a box grid. So I was still able to evenly space out all of my dots. So I put 3 on each day so I can prioritize my days. If I add too many items to one day, it gets overwhelming and I don't accomplish as much as I would like to. And then I just put a little dash border underneath each day and then made a little section that says to do this week, so I could write more items to do that are not time sensitive or to a specific day, as well as a top 3 priority for the week. So that's pretty much it. This is a really easy spread to make, really quick, and I really hope that it will be effective and efficient. I did go in and try and add some banners, and the Monday one was okay, but then as I continued on from Tuesday through Sunday, it just got worse. So because this spread is a very simple one, just to make sure I'm on top of my stuff for the week, I really didn't mind. I will probably not be putting this on my Instagram, a picture of my spread, just because it's not that you have to have Instagram worthy photos, but this one is purely functional and I don't think that, you know, it's worth sharing. But since you're watching this video, you can see it right now. Alright, so that's the end of the spread. I hope you enjoyed it, and I just wanted to reiterate that not all spreads need to have a bunch of stickers, washi, and all decorations. So if you just need something functional, this is a great alternative. Alright, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!